Welcome to all. Now in this lesson we will learn prepositions. Preposition in and on. There are many prepositions, but today in this lesson we will only discuss preposition in and on, and also in only in case of place or position. Preposition is a word in a sentence which establishes. Preposition is a word in a sentence which establishes or shows the relationship between the noun or pronoun with the other words. That means if we learn the prepositions, we can understand the noun or the pronoun, the relationship with the other words. Let's learn. Let's learn in and on. In, first of all, in and on. In where we will use in, and in where we will use on in case of in and all. The difference being said here, in is the first one. In is used in case of something enclosed by. If something is enclosed by or covered by, then we will use the preposition in. And the second point, being within a large area. If something is within a large area, then we will use the preposition in. And the third point, before country. If we use the name of a country, then we have to use the preposition in. And the last point of in is it is used for workplace. If workplace is a building, if someone is working and the workplace is a building, means covered place, then we will use in. Let's look on. On is used in case of something touching. In case of something touching the surface or close contact. If something is touching the surface of something or it is to the close contact of something, then we will use the preposition on. And if the workplace is not building, on is used. If the workplace is not building, then we will use on. Means on open area. If the workplace is an open area or a meadow means an open area for play, then we will use on. Let's look the following two pictures and we will get a clarity understanding of the context. Example, here the pens are inside the cup or inside the pen stand. So we will use pens in the pen stand. Pens in the pen stand. The book. In case of the book is on the table. The book is on the table. Look, the book is on the table, touching the surface. Touching the surface of something. Touching the surface of something. So, the book is on the table. And the pens are in the pen stand. That means closed, enclosed by something. We will use in. And the book is on the table. That means touching the surface of something. Now let's look another picture. Here, my brother works in a bank. If the workplace is a building, that means covered area, then in is used. And if the workplace is not enclosed, then we will use on. She is working on a farm. Look, the farm is not enclosed by a building, so on is used. Let's look the exercise. Exercise 1. Do fill all the blanks with appropriate preposition in or an. So in or on. We have to use in, either, or on. Let's look. There is a dirty mark. There is a dirty mark dash your side. Dirty mark. When there is a mark on a shirt, that is on the shirt. That is on the shirt. And question number 2. She wore a ring dash her middle finger. She wore a ring dash her middle finger. Here also the answer will be on, because of touching the surface of something. Look, touching the surface of something, not enclosed. Wearing a finger does not enclose by the finger, so it is on the finger, encloses the surface of the finger. Question number 3. There are a lot of mangoes dash the tree. There are a lot of mangoes dash the tree. There are a lot of mangoes on the tree, because mangoes are not enclosed by the tree. They are just hanged on the tree. There is no one dash the building. There is no one dash the building. That is, there is no one in the building. In the means inside, enclosed. Here in means enclosed. In means enclosed by. Let's look the question number 5. We love swimming dash the river. When we swim, we go to a large surface and inside a small. That means being within a large area. Being within a large area. So you can know here in will be the answer, because we love swimming in river. Within a large area. There is a big painting dash the wall. Dash the wall. Here you know the answer will be on, because it is something touching the surface or close contact with the or touching the surface of the wall. So there is a big painting on the wall. Look forward the next question. Page number 2. The pen is dash my pocket. The pen is dash my pocket. The pen is dash my pocket. the pen is enclosed. The pen is enclosed by the pocket, not the just touches the pocket. It is covered. It is inside the pen, inside the pocket. So here in will be the answer. Let's look inside before country. Here inside also be used, inside. Inside. Let's look the next question. Question number 8. He lives dash an apartment dash the second floor. Here the apartment is closed, so enclosed by. He lives in an apartment and on the second floor. When the floor is said, that means on the floor, the surface. Here the second floor means the surface of the second floor. And next question. Sweet mangoes are dash plate. Here the mangoes are solid things. Two differences we will learn here. The mango is a solid thing. The mango is a solid thing. The mango is a solid thing. If something is a solid thing in putted on, here on will be the answer, because mango is a solid thing that can be removed easily. Look the next question. Sweet soup is dash the plate. Here the soup is a liquid thing. Here the soup is a liquid thing. When there is a liquid thing and it is put of the cup, then here in will be the answer, because liquid things are touched and enclosed. Look the next question. The sugar is there sugar dash mangoes. Here will be the indication of question mark. Is there sugar dash the mangoes. When we want to know if there is something in the mangoes, that means that in the mangoes, not on the mangoes, in the mangoes. Look, do you have a or any mole dash your left hand. Moles are a black points. Mole is a black point that is touch the surface of the body, the skin. Touch the surface, that is on. Have you hold something dash your hand. When you hold something, that is enclosed by the hand. So when enclosed by, in will be the answer. He lives dash London. He lives dash London. When we say about the country, we put the in. In is the preposition before country. So here in will be the answer. And the next one is, the last one is, the meeting was held dash the campus of the college. The meeting was held on the campus of the college, because the campus is not a building, it is a open area. Like this, the campus is also an open area. Let's look answers with images and a quick recap of spot on shirt. Ring on, there is a ring on finger. Mangoes on trees. In the building, there is no one in the building. In the river, when we swim in a large area, and in is the preposition. We swim in the river. There is a big painting on the wall. Painting touches the surface of the wall on wall. Pen is enclosed by the pocket. So in the pocket. In he lives in an apartment. Apartment means a building. And on the second floor. Second floor means the surface of the second floor. Mangoes are on the plate. Mango is a solid thing. Mango is on the plate. And soup. Soup is a liquid thing that can on in the plate. Let's look. Sugar is in mango. Here look. The mango is on plate and the sugar is in mango. Black mole. Black mole. Here is the black mole. Black mole on hand. If something is enclosed or the surface of the thing, here on will be the answer. Hold, catch, in hand. When we closes, covers that thing. So here in hand, hold or catch in hand. In London, if he live in a country, the in will be the preposition. And last, campus, on campus, because the campus is not the building, it is an open area. So campus will be the on will be the preposition before campus. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.